We all know about the powerful resizers that have been a standard feature on every Sony keyer since the G series of switchers. The X series builds on this by adding rotation. So I'm going to build a quick double box effect here. So again, in a shameless plug for two of my children here, Kelsey on the left and Zach on the right, I'm going to use a couple of channels of Resizer and I'm going to move them around. I'm going to crop a little bit here because I've got one still. Now first of all, I want to point out something on the menu. If you can see over here, I'm seeing key 5, 6, 7, and 8 on the left-hand side here. Well, I want to use key 1 and 2. Rather than make all the buttons too small to fit 8 keyers on the screen, what our design engineers did was give you a little toggle up here. So you can see I've activated key 5 through 8, and if I just touch this, these now become key 1 through 4. Keeps all the buttons nice and big so you don't have to use a stylus or something to try to touch them. So I'm going to go over here to border and crop on my Resizer, and I'm going to turn crop on, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take this picture and put it for channel 1. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to do the same for channel 2. We're going to take the left and chop this one off here. Great. Now I've got both kids up here. I'm going to take channel 1. I'm going to move him over here to the left, channel 2 to the right, and squeeze them down just a tad using the trackball. Now, I have a graphic overlay I'm going to put on top. Now, this obviously is not Mario Williams and Kathy Cooper. I'm just using this graphic. I'm going to never hear the end of this from my kids. So I'm going to take this, and obviously the aspect ratio doesn't fit anymore because they're flat. Over here, either in the menu, I can hit rotation and adjust it here, or I can do it from the trackball. Same thing. I can adjust it from here. So I can change the rotation enough so that it fits. I'm going to select this back here, bring it up a bit, and then come over and do exactly the same thing with Kelsey. Move her a little bit in the proper aspect ratio. Come back over here just a little bit. And now I present to you Mario and Kathy, whoever they are. It's important to note that I haven't used any DME channels on this effect, only the built-in resizers that are a standard feature on every keyer.